Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hello, Team Bella. How are you? It's me, your girl, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan, and I am here today just to catch up. It's been a minute. Where have I been? What have I been doing? So real quick, I wanted to jump on and definitely show my face so you guys can see I'm still here. I'm good. I'm okay. So just a lot of things going on, and I had to take a couple of weeks off just to focus on me and the things that are going on. And they're personal, so I won't get into them, but I can tell you that I'm back. Business as usual, and sometimes it's okay. You need to disconnect and unplug to, kind of do what's best for yourself. So with that being said, I'm happy to be back, and I hope you guys join me in planning out my spreads. I think I'm going to do things just a little bit differently. I'm going to try a couple of different things. So I'm not only going to be sharing Happy Planner Plan with me's, I'm going to be sharing what I'm doing in any of my inserts that I'm using. Because I'm in counseling now, I'm journaling. So I've added that part to my catch-all, my Franken Planner. So some weeks I will share how I'm setting that up. I won't necessarily share what I'm writing or prompts that I've been assigned, but it's something that I'm actually doing, and I'm excited about it. It's going well. And something else that I'm incorporating to help me be a bit more focused and intentional with my time is a daily plan, a daily planner. And so I don't know. Right now, it's just going to be the Happy Planner daily sheets. I'm going to use what I have. I'm going to shop my stash instead of buying and adding on. But that's kind of some of the things that I have planned. So as always, I appreciate your support. Those who have been there from the beginning, those who are new, welcome to the channel. I'm just Miranda, Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan. And, I just sometimes have to step back to step up, I have some exciting things that I'm working on. Can't wait to share them with you. If you're not following me on Instagram, hey guys, go over there and give me a follow. I'm Mrs. Thinking of a Master Plan there as well. If you enjoy the video, make sure you do the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. All right, guys, let's jump into this plan. So I am planning in my vertical planner for the week of August 16th through the 22nd. And as you can see by the sticky notes, I have a lot going on. And also, if you peek here, you can see that I did not put any plans in this planner for last week, but I am back and focused. Okay, so I'm going to remove my sticky notes. I have a doctor's appointment on the 17th. I go on the sticky note and I write down what date that was. So when I remove them, I don't forget what was where. And also, if you'll also notice, I pre-picked my sticker book that I wanted to use and what books I wanted to highlight or accent my spread with. All right. So let us get in. So I'm going to use the new Marabou Designs sticker book, and I have the big, the mini, the classic. I'm going to be using the appointment sticker book and also some stickers from Colorful Boxes. I grabbed this piece of this piece of washi tape, but it's not washi tape. It is wax paper, and I'm pulling it off so that I can hold it a little bit. Okay, so let's kind of flip through and figure out what we want to do. I can already tell you there is a sticker in the classic. Ooh, it's thundering. That I really feel like is my inspiration sticker, and it says "Good Days Ahead." It's this sticker right here. So let's kind of just pull that one out because I certainly want to use that one. Now, I don't know if I want to use it here. So let's turn it this way. Use it here. Okay. Or did I want to put it somewhere else? So I'm liking how that looks. This book just has so many cute little elements to it. I'm telling you, I love it. I'm gonna grab these little green, bluish green tweezers. I don't want to grab anything from there. I also like this What a Special Day, that sticker, because I feel like it has like all the colors, but I don't know. This priority sticker I do want to use because I feel like we have some priority things going on, and I want to use more than one of them. But the thing about it is this is more of a coral, and I just don't feel like this is going to give me the pop of color that I'm looking for. I like this box because that's kind of the color. It's that lighter kind of coral color that's in there, so I want to use that for sure. Let's see. So I feel like I can bring in this lighter color teal in these colors, but we can, because we don't have to pick them out of all one book. Let's just go ahead and see. I like these. These match the, let's put some of those on there. Let's get 2 of each. Okay. I think that is great. And then we'll get ready to start building it out. Okay. I feel like we need some more of this, like that light coral color to get it done. So let's go there. Okay. I like this Big Ideas. This Get It Done too, because I do want to put the lighter teals in there too. I'm actually going to go back and grab that one sticker for this side of the page, this one here, so the Remember, we'll do it because it does have some of those colors we want, so we'll do that. All right. Okay. Do we want to bring in any pops of these colors? I think those are nice. We have some of these. And I'm okay with those. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I'm liking these colors better. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those back. I prefer that color, like the light peach, and this color. Our teal there. And it's like a, I don't know what kind of color it is. It's like a puke green color. But it's fitting. It's not ugly or anything. Let's see. All right. So we do have to find some other thoughts, ideas, and plans. I just want something else to go with this. I think I will put this here in the sidebar, the looking ahead. And let's go ahead and let's put these back into the sticker book. Okay. I like this. I like how that looks. Oh, I love these. Remember, I just saw something that I liked. It says good things will happen. I want to bring in more of that that teal color. All right, so here we go. Putting these back down, and if they don't go back down, guys, like, and I don't know, I'm sure you guys have probably seen this, where you can just kind of pick up the page and pull the outline off so that only the sticker back paper is left. So I'm going to do that and put this sticker back in our book. So we have one sticker down, and that doesn't seem like much progress. But we are going to go ahead on Tuesday. Have a lot going on Tuesday, so that's a perfect day to put that remember box. And then here on Friday, I want to add this priority box. Kind of right here. Okay, so those are looking really good. So now I really want to use this, and typically I like to put a box here in the center, but I think that I am going to stop doing everything in a straight line and try to just get in where I fit in, put things where I want them to go. Let's see. So I think for Monday we can use this checklist here. Okay. And those, I'm still working from those stickers that we pulled earlier. I like this one to go here, this peachy coral color. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I kind of think I can do like this, place this one here. Okay, it's a little crooked, just going down crooked. But I think that that is kind of the concept. I want to kind of nestle it into here, this area. Hopefully it's straight. It's crooked. Yeah, I don't know. I'm starting to accept that I don't lay stickers straight, and that's okay, because who said your planner had to be perfect? Who put that type of stress and pressure on us? Who did that? All right, so I think I want to take this remember, but I don't know if I wanted that. I'm going to find something else to go across there. All right, so I feel like this side here could use more teal on this page. So we're going to put that down here. Okay. And then we need to put this light colored one over here, and I am thinking I want to go down here with this as well. Keep it low. Okay, now these are the things we have left, but I want to put some type of a quote down there, and I think the writing in the mini is small enough. And I don't know if you guys noticed on this sticker, there's like confetti. So I would like to try to use this confetti also, but I don't want the big one on the boxes, and I think it would be super cute to be able to put these somewhere on our spread, just little pops. See, that's pretty. I'm loving it, and I think I'll put one up here on Sunday. Okay, oops. We need to remember to put it on our wax paper to remove some of the sticky, just in case we have to, you know, take it off and put it back on. But we don't need to. All right. Kind of like how that's looking. Now I want a quote. There are some gold quotes in here. I like this one that says, "Life is sweet." Now this is the size in the mini. Let's see, because I want to put it there. Do we want to, this is the size in the, I think the one in the classic is good, because the big is going to be just huge, I believe. Well, actually the big and the classic is the same size, so we'll just get it here. So Life is Sweet. All right, and we're gonna put this here. And then I thought it would be cute to take these little florals and kind of frame it around the Life is Sweet. So we can put some there and put some here. Okay, that's cute. Now I think some type of a circle could go there. And I saw some round things here. This one could kind of work, or this one, but I think I want to put some more of these, so we'll put that there. Okay. Now I want to add some other, maybe more decorative items on this one. All right, that is my plan with me for the week of August 16th through the 22nd. I'm excited to be back. I feel like it's like riding a bus. Riding a bike. I'm a little rusty. But all in all, I just wanted to show you how I'm incorporating the new Marabou designs, new Happy Planner sticker books into my current spreads. So if you enjoyed, don't forget the 3 things: like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Ciao, bella.